Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can dropship on TikTok shop for free. So for that you need to create your account on TikTok shop. So let's suppose you already create your account. Then you need to connect CJ dropshipping store with your TikTok shop. So let me open CJ dropshipping. Click on that, and first step you need to sign up or register. So let's suppose I already registered, so I need to sign in into my CJ dropshipping account. So sometime it takes few seconds, so click on sign in, and now you are on to the login page. So here you can add your email address and password. So let me add my email and password here. And if you want to remember, click here and click on sign in. Skip, so I do not want to change password now. Okay, and now I'm in my account. Click on profile. So once you are in your profile, wait for a few seconds here. Okay, and here you can see different options. So here you can see that authorization, and click on TikTok shop, and now you need to click on add store. Click on OK, and now you need to connect your CJ dropshipping with TikTok shop. So here you can see that it is now opening my TikTok shop seller center. So I need to complete the sign up process on TikTok shop, and after that my CJ dropshipping account is connected with TikTok shop, and I can easily dropship from CJ dropshipping onto my TikTok shop. So this is the process that you need to follow to dropship on TikTok shop for free. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.